your loaf. MeowMeows Jr. It's me, Johnny. Hi. Thought you were dead. Bloop, bloop. Oh. Good boy. Wise old man. This cat literally blends in with the dark. Oh. What? I don't like standing in the grass. Come on. You sound like a siren. Oh my god, your beans are completely wet. Oh, your beans are wet. Oh, it's disgusting. Where do you find the wet beans? Ow! Come on. Come on. Come on. This is a wise old man. This cat is very wise. Very old. She has. Yep, it's a she. Wise old woman once told me. Meow. You're stepping on grass moments ago.
Stepping on concrete.
It's the cat that stepped on grass. Of course you smell it.
小黑，
老师有黑人在课室。
黑会来叫你小黑，小黑猫。
Aww.
小黑猫。
Its Chinese name is 小黑猫. It literally reacted to the name 小黑猫 than MeowMeows Jr. Should be MeowMeows Sr. He's very old, very wise. A lot of wisdom to say since the last time we met. I wanna say don't die, but she's humongous, so she's gonna end up dying soon. I'm so sad. So much cute. This is called that should be more Truffle Jr., the band cat.
I just want to eat 一点的。
This is a very good one. Eat one. Try one. Do you like it? This is healthy.
Try two.
Stop walking away. Is that wrong? Oh shit! You know what? Eat. That's a lot. A bit too much for an elderly. There's a lot of other cats that she might be fighting. You're too old for violence. Ew. Your cat slobber.
The neck is so long.
Long neck. It's a giraffe.
It was spotted the giraffe. It goes by many names.
Giraffe.
小黑猫 and Kitty MeowMeows
MeowMeows.
Senior.
MeowMeows Senior.
Yes, MeowMeows Senior.
Blackie.
要换衣服睡觉。
I know.
猫猫它睡。每个个人听到有 body 的声音，
Oh.
然后有 leg， 有 hand， 洗一下，洗脚就好。洗到上面啊，有大腿啊。啊？
金门两只根。
嘛。在我那边。
Need water
It's gonna spill.
and scared. Okay.
等一下倒水。
How about cocoa bean?
这样晚了。
What time is it? Oh, 41.